Your website has a look, a feel, a brand. So why settle for a cookie banner that doesn't match? With CookieYes, your banner is auto-generated to fit your site's color palette, instantly. No design work, no guesswork, just a banner that blends right in. As you set up, CookieYes scans your website's style and creates a banner that mirrors your design, matching your website's color palette. It looks like it was built just for you, because it is. The banner adapts seamlessly to fit. Want to fine-tune it? You can customize the layout, text, colors, even add CSS. And yes, it's fully compliant with GDPR and CCPA. A beautiful, branded cookie banner, generated for you right out of the box. That's the CookieYes way. Try for free and comply with major privacy laws.